adjectives. What are adjectives? Yes, very easy. Describing words. The words which tell more about nouns, which gives us more information about nouns, right? For example, she has a naughty dog. Her noun is dog, and the word naughty is describing that which kind of dog. ये जो इस वर्ड से भी पता चल रहा है ना, naughty dog. जो डॉग है वो कैसा है? naughty. तो ये वर्ड क्या डिस्क्राइब कर रहा है कि नाउन कैसा है? सो दिस इज एडजेक्टिव. सिमिलरली, ही वॉक्स इन अ बिग लाइब्रेरी. लाइब्रेरी इज नाउन, बिग लाइब्रेरी. बिग इज एडजेक्टिव because it is describing which kind of library is this, right? A big library. Atul is a tall boy. Tall. So this is adjective, right? Students, now we will learn about kinds of adjectives, and the first one is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality. This type of adjectives tell us the kind of a noun, कि जिस नाउन के बारे में हम बात कर रहे हैं वो कैसा है, उसकी काइंड के बारे में, किस टाइप का है. लाइक चंडीगढ़ इज अ ब्यूटीफुल सिटी. हियर नाउन इज सिटी and adjective is beautiful, and this word beautiful is describing that which kind of city is Chandigarh, right? इससे हमें पता चल रहा है कि जो चंडीगढ़ है वो कैसी सिटी है, ब्यूटीफुल सिटी है. तो चंडीगढ़ की क्वालिटी के बारे में पता चल रहा है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वालिटी. नंबर 2, आई लव टू ईट हॉट समोसास. हॉट समोसास, कैसे समोसास? hot. So this is adjective of quality. Means the adjectives which tell us about some quality of nouns are called adjectives of quality, right?
Students, let us do some book work now. Exercise A. Fill in the blanks with suitable adjectives of quality. Students, there are some sentences given. Now we will fill these blanks with the suitable options. Like number 1, Caroline draws dash cartoons. Funny cartoons. Okay? Now try to do this exercise yourself. After doing, you can match the answers with the given answer key. Exercise C. Underline the adjectives in this story. Circle the nouns they describe. Students, you all know that adjectives are describing words, right? Now there is a story given. First of all, we will read this story, and after reading, we will underline the adjectives and circle the nouns जिनके लिए adjectives use किए गए हैं, right? Like, I am a small puppy. Here noun is puppy and adjective is small. My name is Softy. I think it is Softy because people call me Softy. I know 3 persons. Here noun is persons and 3 is adjective, right? Students, in this way you can complete this exercise.
Quantity. An adjective which gives the answer of the question how much. जिस एडजेक्टिव से हमें पता चले कि कितनी क्वांटिटी है. लाइक देयर इज सम कस्टर्ड इन द फ्रिज. द वर्ड सम इज डिस्क्राइबिंग द क्वांटिटी ऑफ कस्टर्ड, कि फ्रिज में कितना कस्टर्ड है. सो दिस इज एन एडजेक्टिव ऑफ क्वांटिटी. Similarly, there is little water to drink. Little जो word है वो बता रहा है how much water is there, कितना पानी है. So this word is also an adjective of quantity. Means the adjectives which tell us about the quantity of nouns are called adjectives of quantity. And these adjectives mostly describe the uncountable nouns, जिनको हम काउंट नहीं कर सकते, उन nouns को ये describe करते हैं, right? Now, adjectives of number. An adjective which gives the answer of the question how many is called adjective of number. जिनसे हमें आंसर का पता चले how many कितने. Like I will be absent for 6 days. For how many days? 6 days. So this is adjective of number. There are 5 balls in the basket. How many balls? 5 balls. So this is called adjective of number, right? Adjectives of number also tell us the order of noun. Means किस order में वो है. Like I stood in the 3rd row. I stood in the 3rd row. Which row? 3rd row. Sequence के बारे में, order के बारे में पता चल रहा है. So this is also called adjective of number. Okay, the adjectives which tell us how many or order of nouns, which tell us about the number or order of nouns, is called adjective of number, right? And many. Students, much is used with uncountable nouns. Uncountable nouns means nouns that cannot be counted, जिन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते. Like water, sugar, milk, oil, इन्हें हम count नहीं कर सकते ना. हम तो नहीं बोलते 1 water, 2 sugar, right? So इन nouns के साथ हम क्या write करते हैं? Much. Like there is not much water in the lake. Okay? Much is used with uncountable nouns. Now many. Many is used with countable nouns, जिन्हें हम numbers में count कर सकते हैं. Like pens, chairs, friends, books. For example, I have many friends. Okay? So this is the difference between much and many. Much with uncountable nouns and many with countable nouns. Okay?
Exercise D. Fill in the blanks with much or many correctly to complete these sentences. Students, now you know the use of much and many very well. Now try to do this exercise yourself.
Order. Numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These words, these type of numbers are used to show a definite quantity of a noun. Like I have 2 pens. एक definite quantity है. There is 1 door. So these numbers are used to show a definite quantity of a noun. एक definite quantity को show करने के लिए numbers का use किया जाता है. And order. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These type of words are used to show order or position of noun in a list or in a group. कि उस noun की group में कौन सी position है, कौन से order पर वो है. Like first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Okay?
Students, now we will complete this table. Adjectives showing quantity and adjectives showing order. Like 12, 12th, 100, 100th, 25, 25th, right? In this way, you can complete this exercise.
So students, these are the kinds of adjectives. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity and adjectives of number, right? Let us have a recap with the help of this video.
Hello, Tinny. Hi, Nyasa. How are you doing on this sunny day? Perfectly alright. I sunbathed for some time in the morning. What did you do today? I watched television for 2 hours. 2 hours is a lot. I know. Don't be my mother now. Haha. So children, you just heard Tinny and Nyasa talk. Did you pay attention attention to the words sunny, some, and too in their speech? Well, these words are describing words, also called adjectives. They tell us something more about nouns, so they describe nouns. Sunny is an adjective of quality, as it tells us about the quality of the day. Some is an adjective of quantity, as it tells us about the quantity of time. Two is an adjective of number, as it tells us about the number of hours. Now, you will see some pictures along with the sentences that describe them best. Read the sentences carefully and write down the adjectives along with their type in your notebook. The angry dog is barking loudly. Meeta gifted mother a bouquet of 20 roses. The naughty boy is drawing on the wall. There are 25 students in my class.
Exercise F. Complete these passages with suitable adjectives given in the box. Read the passages carefully before you start filling in the blanks. Number 1. Judy was the dash to reach class 3C. She was very excited because it was the dash of March. Judy was the first to reach class 3C. She was excited because it was the 16th of March. It was her birthday. Her parents had given her a dash dress, yellow dress. She had bought dash sweets for her friends, many sweets for her friends. She was dash years old today, 9. Students, now try to do the second passage yourself.
So students, this was all about the chapter number 10, kinds of adjectives. I hope you all have understood the chapter very well. Now do practice, do the given work. Okay, bye bye.